Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your Xiaomi Smart Camera C301. In order to do this, first we need to use the USB cable and connect our camera and provide power for the camera. So the camera must be enabled. Then at the back above the charging port over here we have the reset button, and we need to press and hold it until we see the LED light switch to orange. So press and hold, or you can also wait for the voice to say that the reset has been successful. So let's press and hold the button. Right now I am pressing and holding the reset button, and we need to hold it for like 3 seconds. And soon the light should turn to orange. If it doesn't work, then just try one more time. Simply press and hold the reset button. There we go. Now we can release the button. Now we need to wait for the camera to rotate, and after that you should be able to connect to your new device if needed. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.